This is an emergency broadcast. Information of a possible nuclear attack against Britain has been received. All telephone lines have been temporarily disconnected. All media outlets, including television and radio outputs, will broadcast an emergency message. It is advised that you seek an immediate shelter and bring essential items such as canned food, bottled water, both to last up to 28 days, and a battery-powered radio. After the initial detonation, nuclear fallout will spread over the surrounding area. If you come in contact with fallout radiation, you could become seriously ill or even die.